Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video we're going to look at the latest thing that's on my desk, and that is Echo Spot. Just launched in the UK, and I already got a few Alexa devices around the home, including the Dots and the Show, which you can have a look at about the Show on thedigitallife.com or on our YouTube video. But in this video I'm going to unbox this and see what we can do with it. So we've got our power supply and our Show. Different power supply again. Actually, this is not USB or anything like that. I think the Show has the same power supply. Actually, it's quite a large adapter. Okay, while that's powering up, just quickly show you on the back here, as well as the power, we've got a 3.5mm audio output, so that means you can plug it into your hi-fi system or your smart speaker or whatever you've got. Something the Alexa Show doesn't have.
Hello. Your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
So let's walk through the setup.
Hello.
Hello. And I'll get it set up on my network. So I've just typed the password in with the on screen, so I didn't have to use the Alexa app to set this up. So it's found me. How's it found me? I guess it's because of the other devices on the network. It's got the inevitable install of updates.
Updating your Echo Spot.
There's one, right. Okay, so all the updates done, took about 10 minutes or so. Let's get started.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot.
Okay, so here we are. This is the basic user interface.
Your Echo Spot is ready.
And with the clock, which looks pretty good. Cycling through the weather, and I would imagine it's going to bring up news headlines as well, just like the Echo Show does. It's very similar to the Echo Show, but with this smaller screen. So what I'm going to just quickly check on here is we'll have a look at video calling. The main things that Alexa can do, the lights and everything else, I'll just quickly show you, but yeah, these are well documented on other videos as well. So let's just quickly try. Alexa, turn off PC room.
Okay.
There you go, so you can see I can use that. Alexa, turn on Energize in PC room. So I can use the Philips Hue skills on that, and I could use it to control my lights. And you can see it's auto dimming there as well, so it'll be interesting to see how that works as a night light factor. Let's try it. Alexa, turn off PC room. So you see it there, auto dimming. So to give you the nightstand clock without being overly bright. So I'm going to try that and see whether I could use it on the bedside table or whether it's a bit too bright for me. But yeah. That's okay, I quite like that. I prefer it really to stay on the clock rather than cycling round, but I'll check the settings to see if there's anything can do that. What I'm going to try now is a bit of voice calling, so I'm going to... Okay, so there we go, I'm doing a video call there with the Spot. I've got my phone set up using it here, and there I am with the phone. Better move it around so you can see it recording that. So this is making a voice call, video call now between these devices. So that seems to work quite well actually. It worked better with my phone on a different Wi-Fi network than it did with the Echo, but it's a good way of checking in and going between rooms, and I think that's one of the features that people will use the Spot for. So I think that's quite a good test. You can do some other things with it for the screen that you can't do with devices without it. I can do Alexa, show conservatory.
Okay.
So there's the security camera in the conservatory, and I think that's a live feed coming from there, so that works quite well actually. So if you're got security cameras around your home and you've got this on your bedside cabinet and you hear some noise or whatever, you can just ask Alexa to show you, and there it is. There's a few other things that the screen does that you can use it, because I can just play music, so I can say Alexa, play Pink Floyd.
Shuffling songs by Pink Floyd.
So you see you've got the album art on there as well, so that's quite nice use of the screen, something that you wouldn't normally have, and you've seen the other things you can do with the screen as well. Alexa, show me the weather forecast.
Here is the weather in Clayton Brook.
So you get a screen with it like that. So let's see what the speaker's like. Let's put some different song. that's on maximum volume now. And actually, it's got quite a nice sound. It's not as good as one of the you know, the big Sonos speakers or something like that, but quite a nice sound.
So you think you could tell?
Bit of bass. Let's just skip along a bit. So let's just. That's a quite nice sound. In a bedroom, that would be pretty good, and you can see the lyrics on there as well. So I can turn that down. So actually, it's quite a nice little device to have to listen to some music and set it up before you go to bed, playing some music. I quite like that. Quite a good, nice sound actually from that as well. Alexa, set an alarm.
Alarm for what time?
8:18 p.m.
Alarm set for 8:18 p.m.
And there we go, alarm like that. So that'll be my alarm clock in the morning. And I can dismiss it like that. There's a few other applications that skills that use the screen. You can check out my Alexa show video for that. That's got some of those, including Recipedia, which shows you like Alexa open Recipedia. Recipedia shows you some of the recipes on screen, and you can page through them. And I think that's quite a good idea for recipes to be up on here.
Okay, how about hot and sour chicken soup? This recipe takes 10 minutes to prep and 12 minutes to cook. It serves 4 and is easy difficulty. You can hear the details or hear another recipe. What would you like to do?
Hear the details.
Okay, I've sent the full recipe to your email inbox. Would you like to start cooking, save this recipe for later, or hear another recipe?
Start cooking.
Let's cook. To move between steps, say next step, previous step, or repeat. Step 1 is to in a 3.
So it shows you the steps like that, and you can say next step, and when you're on the next step, or you can say previous step. So that's a use of the screen that you wouldn't get if with something like an Echo Dot. So it does have some advantages with the screen. The Dot has a simplicity, has a good price, £40–50. This is £119, but you've got the alarm clock, you've got the voice calling, you've got the screen monitoring and the video skills, and the good speaker as well. So, you know, different uses, different prices and different options, but I'm certainly going to be giving this a try as my alarm clock, and I'm going to see how we get on with it. So don't forget to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and on thedigital.com. I'm @ISDixon on Twitter. We've got videos on the Alexa show and using it with smart homes and lights and heating and everything else. So thanks for watching this video.